Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the AirPods Max have at least a partial charge and the device you'll pair with is unlocked. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Control Center or Settings and enable Bluetooth so the phone can see new devices. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in on the iPhone or iPad because some settings sync automatically. You will now move to bring the headphones into pairing mode and confirm visibility. Follow the next steps to initiate the connection. You press and hold the noise control button near the right ear cup until the LED flashes white, which places the AirPods Max in pairing mode. This is the key trigger that advertises the headset. Then, on your device, open Bluetooth settings and find AirPods Max under Available Devices. This is where discovery completes. Tap Connect, accept prompts for notifications or location if requested, and wait for the pairing animation or confirmation tone. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts to finish setup. You confirm the connection by checking the audio output in Control Center and playing a sound to ensure left and right channels are correct. This verifies full functionality. Once connected, open Settings to customize controls, spatial audio, and check for firmware updates that improve performance. If the AirPods Max do not appear or fail repeatedly, reset them by holding the noise control and digital crown for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then try pairing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.